Hello, I'm Komal Preet and I'm doing my Diploma in Business Entrepreneurship Level 7 from Royal Business College, Auckland. Well, I'm 33 years of age, which probably no girl says it, but yes, it's good to be at this age. And I'm from India, from Punjab. Well, I love to travel, I love poetry, and I love to dance. These three things are my favorites. Yes, indeed. Well, my day one was not very good. Definitely, I was missing my family, and everything was new to me. But the day I visited college, my professor, the people at reception, everyone was warm to welcome, and definitely I found so many Indian students here. Of course, people from or students from other nations are also here, but it felt like being at home. So it was all good. Yes. Royal Business College, certainly it is a family to be with, because if I should say, probably the day one I came, until another a month or so, I didn't know the principal, who he is, but the day I met him across, he knew my name. So what more can you expect from a family, that they know you personally, they know your name, and they are concerned for you. So I do feel that touch here. Yes, certainly. Well, certainly the quality of the course is undoubtedly good. The quality of the professors is undoubtedly good, and definitely, if any of the two is not good, there is something that keeps a gap, which is covered in both the ways. So I will say the quality of the course and the quality of the teachers both is thumbs up. Yes. Talking on facilities with Royal Business College are very good. You have your small place to an eating area, the internet facilities, the support from the college, which is very good. From the teacher, as I told earlier also, that you being just a new student, and your name is known to the principal, is a big thing. The director of studies, Mr. Sydney, Harry sir, and our professor, they've been very supportive in all manners, I will say. Yeah. In terms of opportunities, definitely I will say, if you are in a move to win the world, you will do that anywhere. And Auckland supports you in every manner. The day I came, I should not say the day I came. Since I came, I tried to get up into jobs, had been trying a lot. People, I will not say they just took me for a job, but I did have to struggle for it. But while I was struggling, the moral support was awesome. It was nice to be with people who are really human. They value you, and which is very good, which is really, which matters the most, I would say, yeah. Graduating, I'm graduating next week though, and it's a whole lot of world full of opportunities. I have to explore, I have to prove myself being in Auckland, and let's see, I'm open for it. What we have been taught is definitely something very practical, and I'm sure it's going to help us in terms of implementing into the professions we take up. So that's good. Stuff and the quality, of course, both go hand in hand. Anyone deviates, the plan totally deviates. The student deviates, and hence goes off the career of the student. But thanks to God and to Royal Business College and to the teachers here, everyone is supportive, and I don't know how should I put it in words, but it's a loving experience. It's really a loving experience to be here, because my professor, he is friendly, and it's not just limited to what you are doing and then signing off by, but he actually wants to know you, help you, which is a plus point, I should say. So describing Royal Business College in my words would be a one-stop place where you can just get your education, where you can make friends, where you can learn cultures, and you get to know of more opportunities, because as such, even the college has been helping us know where we can apply for as a job, maybe a part-time or a full-time, how we can grow, both in the terms of, professionally and personally being in a new country. So it's maybe that's the best way I can say it. Well, recommending Royal Business College to all the aspirants would definitely be an undoubted suggestion, because well, it gives you the doorway to coming to a new world of opportunities. It gives you a better understanding of how things would be carried on forward, and how you can prepare yourself best. As I said earlier also, that whatever the course details are, they are so practical and well, easy to implement also. Although it's a new learning, definitely a new learning would be difficult, but it's easy to understand. So definitely yes to Royal Business College for all.